Hello friend, today I will tell you 8085 microprocessor program for subtraction of to 8-bit numbers result in 16-bit. How microprocessor performs subtraction operation? Microprocessor can perform only addition operation, so subtraction operation performs by microprocessor using 2's complement method, such as if we apply subtract d1 minus d2, then first microprocessor take 2's complement of d2, then in next step microprocessor add 2's complement of d2 with d1, and then in next step microprocessor complement the carry. This whole process done by microprocessor internally. To understand this process, we take two example. Example 1, when borrow generate. At this time carry flag is 1 because d1 is less than d2. If d1 is 22 and d2 is 44, then we apply subtraction instruction. Here microprocessor perform 22 minus 44, then it is equal to 22 plus bracket minus 44, then bracket close. So first microprocessor take 2's complement of d2. Here 2's complement of 44 is bc. Here bc is equivalent to minus 44 because we know 2's complement of any number is negative of that number. Then in next step microprocessor add 2's complement of d2 with d1. So here microprocessor add bc with 22. Here you can see sum is de and carry is 0. Here carry is 0, which so result is negative and its 2's complement form. And then in next step microprocessor complement the carry. Now here carry is 0, so after complement carry become 1. After subtraction microprocessor show de as difference in accumulator, which is actually sum as you see here, and borrow value 1 so in carry flag, which is actually complement of carry after addition as you see here. But here we know d is not original result, it's 2's complement of original result, because if we subtract 22 minus 44, we know difference always 22 and borrow is 0 1. So to get original result, we take 2's complement of accumulated data in program by help of instruction. Conclusion: whenever we subtract larger number from smaller number, then carry flag set to 1, which show that result is negative, and negative number is always represented in 2's complement form. Therefore d is 2's complement form of minus 22. So to get original result is 22, we take 2's complement of de in program by help of instruction and carry flag so that result is negative. Example 2, when borrow not generate. At this time carry flag is 0 because d1 is greater than d2. If d1 is 44 and d2 is 22, then we apply subtraction instruction. Here microprocessor perform 44 minus 22, it is equal to 44 plus bracket minus 22, then bracket close. Then first microprocessor take 2's complement of d2. Here 2's complement of 22 is de. Here de is equivalent to minus 22. Then in next step microprocessor add 2's complement of d2 with d1. So here microprocessor add de with 44. Here you can see sum is 22 and carry is 1. Here carry is 1, which so result is positive and its true form. And in next step microprocessor complement the carry. Now here carry is 1 and microprocessor complement the carry, so carry become 0. Then After subtraction, microprocessor show difference value 22 in accumulator, which is actually some value as you see here, and borrow value 0 show in carry flag, which is actually complement of carry after addition as you see here. But here we know 22 is original result, because if we subtract 44 minus 22, we know difference always 22 and borrow is 0. So at this condition in program we need not require to take 2's complement of accumulator data. Conclusion: whenever we subtract smaller number from larger number, then carry flag set to 0, which show that result is positive, and positive number is always original result, so we need not require to take 2's complement in program. Structure of program: D1 and D2 is inputs and B0 and D0 is outputs. D1 is 8-bit input data, means munand value. D2 is 8-bit input data, means subtrahend value. D0 is 8-bit lower byte of result, means difference value of subtraction. B0 is 8-bit higher byte of result, means borrow value of subtraction. Assume program start from memory location 2000, and we assume input D1 have 82500 memory location and D2 have 82501 memory location. After subtraction, we will store difference 82502 memory location and borrow 82503 memory location. Algorithm of this microprocessor program: clear register C data, initialize the memory location 2500 in HL register pair to get first number D1 from 2500 memory location, move first data D1 into accumulator, increment the content of HL register pair by 1 to pointing D2 data as M, subtract memory data D2 from accumulator data D1. If no borrow means difference is positive, then go to step 10. Else follow next step. Complement accumulator data content, increment accumulator data content by 1, increment register C data content by 1 to show borrow, increment the content of HL register pair by 1 for store D0 at memory location 2502, store the lower byte of result D0 in memory location 2502, increment the content of HL register pair by 1 for store B0 at 2503 memory location, store the higher byte of result B0 in memory location 2503. Here step 7 and 8 is 2's complement making step, and step 9 is borrow show step. So when no borrow, we skip these steps and we directly go to result store step, which start from step 10. Flowchart of this microprocessor program: start, then initialize register C with 00. By this step, we clear register C data for show borrow, then initialize memory in HL pair. By this step, we store input data address in HL pair, then get first number in accumulator. By this step, D1 data copy in accumulator from memory, then increment memory pointer. By this step, we pointing second data D2 as M, then subtract to 8-bit numbers. By this step, we subtract memory data from accumulator data. Then if borrow, there is two condition: borrow generate or borrow not generate. If yes condition, then we take 2's complement of accumulator data to get original result, and we know in microprocessor there is no direct instruction to make 2's complement of any number. So for this purpose, we first complement accumulator data, then we increment accumulator data by 1. In this way, we make 2's complement. Then we increment register C data by 1. So register C data become 0, 1, which show borrow value. If no condition, then we skip these steps. In this condition, result is already original form, means positive form. So we need not require to take 2's complement of accumulator data, and also we need not require to increment register C data, means at this condition borrow value is 0, 0. Now we store result in memory. So increment memory pointer. By this step, increment HL pair memory address by 1 for stored difference in memory. Then store denote in memory. By this step, we first store difference value in memory, then increment memory pointer. By this step, we one more time increment in HL pair memory address for store borrow in memory, then store B note in memory. By this step, borrow value store in memory, then stop program. Example 1. When borrow is generated. Now, first of all, store inputs data in memory. We store 22.82500 memory and 44.82501 memory. Now we feed program. Starting address of program 2000 and first instruction is MVIC, 00. Move immediate data 00 in accumulator to clear register C data for show borrow. 0E hex code of the instruction and 00 is 8-bit data. By this instruction, 00 store in register C. Next instruction is LXI H, 2500. Store 2500 16-bit data address in HL register pair for initializing input address. 21 is hex code of the instruction. 00 is lower byte of address and 25 is higher byte of address. By this instruction, 2500 store in HL pair. Next instruction is move A, M. Copy D1 data in accumulator from 2500 memory which store in HL register pair. 7E hex code of the instruction. By this instruction, HL pair have 2500, so 22 data copy in accumulator from 2500 memory. Next instruction is INX H. Increment in HL pair data by 1 to pointing D2 data is M. 23 is hex code of the instruction. By this instruction, increment in HL pair data by 1, so data address in HL pair become 2501. Next instruction is sub M. Subtract memory data D2 from accumulator data D1 and difference store in accumulator. 96 is hex code of the instruction. By this instruction, difference value DE store in accumulator. In this example, it's 2's complement form because difference is negative. You can see here sign flag is 1 after subtraction, which show difference is negative, and carry flag show borrow value, and here borrow generate, so carry flag bit become 1. Next instruction is JNC down. Jump to down if borrow is not generate after subtraction. D2 is hex code of the instruction. Here you can see down label is 200E. So first 0E lower byte of address has come, then 20 higher byte of address has come. One more thing is here, you can also use jump on positive instruction, and that condition come when difference is positive. And when difference is positive, we know borrow not generate. So JNC down and JP down, both instruction same work here. Now in this example, carry means borrow is not generate after subtraction. So microprocessor execute next instruction. It is not jump to down level address. So next instruction is CMA, complement accumulated data. 2F is hex code of the instruction. By this instruction, accumulated data become one's complement form. Here one's complement of DE is 21, and next instruction is INRA, increment accumulated data by 1. 3C is hex code of the instruction. By this instruction, accumulated data become 2's complement form. Here 2's complement of DE is 22. Next instruction is INRC, increment register C data by 1. 0C is hex code of the instruction. By this instruction, register C data become 01, which so borrow generate. Now we store result in memory. So next instruction is INXH, increment in HL pair data by 1 for stored difference value denote. 23 is hex code of the instruction. By this instruction, memory address in HL pair become 2502. Next instruction is move M, A. Copy difference value from accumulator to 2502 memory. 77 is hex code of the instruction. Now you can see HL pair have 2502. So difference 22 copy from accumulator to 2502 memory. Next instruction is INXH, increment in HL pair data by 1 for store borrow value B note. 23 is hex code of the instruction. By this instruction, memory address in HL pair become 2503. Next instruction is move M, C. Copy borrow value from register C to memory 2503. 71 is hex code of the instruction. Now you can see HL pair have 2503. So borrow value 01 copy from register C to 2503 memory. Then RST5, end of program. Example 2, when borrow is not generate. Now first of all, store inputs data in memory. We store 44 as D1 at 2500 memory and 22 as D2 at 2501 memory. First instruction is MVI C, 00. By this instruction 00 store in register C. Then next instruction is LXI H, 2500. By this instruction 2500 store in HL pair. Then next instruction move A, M. By this instruction HL pair have 2500. So 44 data copy in accumulator from 2500 memory. Then next instruction is INXH. By this instruction, increment in HL pair data by 1. So data address in HL pair become 2501. Next instruction is sub M. By this instruction, difference value 22 store in accumulator. In this example, its original form, because difference is positive. You can see here sign flag is 0 after subtraction, which show difference is positive, and carry flag show borrow value, and here borrow not generate, so carry flag bit is 0. Next instruction is JNC down. Here you can see address of down label is 200E. Now this example carry means borrow is not generate after subtraction, so microprocessor jump to down label address and execute that instruction, which is INX-H. By this instruction, memory address in HL pair become 2502. Then next instruction is move M, A. Now you can see HL pair have 2502, so difference 22 copy from accumulator to 2502 memory. Then next instruction is INX-H. By this instruction, memory address in HL pair become 2503. Then next instruction is move M, C. Now you can see HL pair have 2503, so borrow value 00 copy from register C to 2503 memory. Then RST5 end of program. Now we perform practical on kit. We feed input 22.82500 memory, 44.82501 memory, reset examine memory 2500, then next 22, then next 44, then next. Now we feed program starting address of program 2000, so reset examine memory, then 2000, then next, then MVIC hex code 0E, then next 8-bit data 00, then next LXI-H hex code 21, then next lower byte of address 00, then next higher byte of address 25, then next move A, M hex code 7E, then next INX-H hex code 23, then next sub M hex code 96, then next JNC down hex code D2, then next 0E lower byte of address, then next 20 higher byte of address, then next CMA hex code 2F, then next INR-A hex code 3C, then next INR-C hex code 0C, then next INX-H hex code 23, then next move M, A hex code 77, then next INX-H hex code 23, then next move M, C hex code 71, then next, then RST5 hex code EF, then next. Now execute the program, so press dot go starting address of program 2000, then dot. Now see the result 82502 memory, so examine memory 2502, next 22 difference, then next borrow is 01. Now we execute example 2. We feed 44.82500 memory and 22.82501 memory. So we go previous and edit data. Here I feed 44, then next, then 22, then next. Now we already feed program, so we directly execute program. So dot go starting address of program 2000, then dot. Now we see the result, so examine memory 2502, then next. Here you can see difference 22, then next. Here you can see borrow 00. If you have any query related any program of microprocessor, write in comments. I will help you. Click to my photo to subscribe my channel. Please share and like my video to get more video. Click to play my other video which show on this screen.